god, some zombie. Zombie? That's for real? Oh my god. Knock knock. Someone knock. Oh. Oh. Penny, you're here. Yes, mom. Mom. Mom Jade. Okay, come on here. Mom Jade. Okay, come here, let's sit. Okay. Okay, mom. We have a problem. What is the problem? The earth has been eaten by zombies. Oh my god! We need to protect this world. We need to fight. Yes, 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 Mom Jade. The evils coming from this earth. Oh my god. Did you have some power? Yes, Mom. Pass me. Okay. Okay. I pass you, Ma'am. Passes power to Jade. It's finished, Mom. Thanks. I have all power. Let's go. But Mom, the only road has clothes. Well, it's okay. Did you have eaten today? No, Ma'am. Oh no. Why? I just buy, Ma'am. Okay, be careful. Okay. Okay, Ma'am. I'll be careful. See you, Mom. I wish you could. Okay. Oh my god. What? Samantha Kara is online. Okay. But it didn't work here. Okay. Oh, she. Okay. Let's go. I go here to check. Whew. So brilliant. I have a city. Wish this my apartment has good everything good. Will disappear. Let's see. Step in up. Rose flower. Nicknames, everything's good. Oh. feels like it's here. Oh, are you here? I fight you. What your boss is that? What do I do? Please, it's me. Remember me? I'm your boss. No, I don't have any boss. Oh my god. This is so terrible. Kicks you. Ouch! I need to up now. No, you cannot. Enough. No! I'll lose you. No! Ah, no, 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 no! No! Please don't kill me! No! Ah! Oh, no, no, no! Ah! Oh my god! Oh, guilty! I see you! And then Bad Penny kills Jim. Please don't kill me. And then Jade out. Ow! I can follow you to teleport around. Wow. You can kill me around. Yeah, just do it. I know where. Because I see you. Oh, I'm just there. Ah, no, no, no. Oh! And then Bad Penny flies knife. Oh! Good. Oh. And then Jade has cried. Thanks.